In this video, we're going to be looking at another popular plugins. The popular plugins, they're popular for a reason, and the reason why they're popular is because they're good. And this one is called the Google XML Sitemap. And if we look at the details, you can see the reason why you want to install it on your computer. It's been downloaded almost 9 million times. That's how good it is. This plugin will generate a special XML sitemap which will help search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Ask to better index your blog. With such a sitemap, it is much easier for a crawler to see the complete structure of your site and retrieve it more efficiently. The plugin supports all kinds of WordPress generated pages as well as custom URLs. Additionally, it notifies all search engines every time you create a post about the new content. Can you see that? And especially this last is good. It will notify all the major search engines every time you create a post about the new content. So you definitely should install it. So let's click on install and activate. This, I don't think it actually has any user interface that you need to. Let's look at the settings. There you go. Google XML sitemap. Where's our settings? XML sitemap. Because in the previous it was in one of the previous video, remember I disabled my website from being visible to the search engine, so this is why it's warning me here with this red stuff. So it said the sitemap wasn't built yet. Click here to build it for the first time. So let's build it by clicking here, and it said your sitemap was last built on this. Google site, your sitemap zipped was last built on this time. Google was successfully notified about the changes. Bing was successful. By doing that, we have notified Google about our website and stuff. So basic option, write a normal XML file. You don't really have to worry about any of these options, honestly. Just leave them as it is, unless you know what you're doing. Then you can look through. There's a lot of options here. Build mode, update notification, notify Bing, add sitemap URL to the virtual robot text file. Let's see, advanced option, additional pages, and post priority. Use the number of comments of the post to calculate the priority. Yep, so that makes sense. Location of your sitemap. So if we click on this URL, we should be able to see your sitemap. So this is actually currently this is our sitemap. So at the moment the priority of this one is 100%. Then we have different pages and different posts, and never mind about all those details. All you just look through. If you want to read the help file for the plugin, you can. I'm sure they must yeah, this is the home page. They must have some kind of support forum. If you're confused about anything, just read them. And this XML sitemap is the last thing I want to discuss because it's very powerful and I think you should have it. So from now we are going to be looking at other features of WordPress. I think you understand a lot about plugins now, so you can go to the plugin and add any plugins that you like and look through and configure them. The one that are basic, the one that you should have, that every blogger should have. I've spoken about them. So now go ahead and go online and type in best plugins in type it in Google and see what you get, and extend your website as much as you can. But remember, like I said, the more plugins that you have, the more processes will be going on your web server, so it might slow things a little bit down. So don't have like 200 plugins on your website. Just be, if you don't use it, delete it, and maybe I should actually show you how to do that. If you go to plugins and you say install plugin, it's actually very easy. All you have to do is just go to the plugin itself. You have to deactivate it first. So let's look at the one that is not active. Like this one is not active. Hello Dolly. You can click on delete and it's going to ask you, yes, delete these files. So that's it. That's how you delete plugins. If you don't need them, deactivate them and delete them. Don't leave them hanging about. And remember, if you want to speed up the website as well, remember to install the cache plugin to speed things up. And I hope I have spoken enough about good plugins. Otherwise, let me know if you want me to do more videos about useful plugins, and I will do them. Thank you.